The church is one foundation, is Jesus Christ her Lord. She is his new creation by water and the word. From heaven he came and sought her to be his holy bride. With his own blood he bought her, and for her life he died. Though with a scornful wonder men see her sore oppressed, by foes too great to number, by trials sore distressed, yet saints their watch are keeping, their cry goes up, how long? And soon the night of weeping shall change to morn of song. Mid toil and tribulation and tumult of her war, she waits the consummation of peace forevermore, till with her vision glorious her longing eyes are blessed, and the great church